Tired of getting a black screen when you share your screen on Discord from your PC? Don't sweat. In this video, I'll walk you through how to solve this problem. So, let's jump right into the solutions without wasting any time. Solution 1. Run Discord as administrator. To do this, first quit Discord from the system tray, then right-click on the Discord icon from your desktop and select Run as administrator from the context menu. Next, click on Yes to give permission. Now check if the issue is fixed. Solution 2. Change Discord settings. To do this, first open up Discord on your computer. Then click the gear icon from the lower left corner of the screen to bring up the settings. After that, switch to the voice and video tab. Now scroll down and come to the advanced section. From here, toggle off Open H.264 video codec and hardware acceleration. Next, scroll down to the screen share section. From here, turn off the Use our advanced technology to capture your screen option. Now click the system tray icon and right-click on the Discord's icon. Then click on Quit Discord. Next, reopen Discord and check if the issue is fixed. Solution 3. Reinstall Discord on your computer. To do this, open up Settings on your computer. Then click on Apps from the left side menu. Next, click on Installed Apps from here. Now, click on the 3-dot button next to Discord and select Uninstall from the pop-up menu. After that, click on Uninstall again and Discord will be uninstalled. Now, click on the search icon here and type in Run. Next, click on Run from the search result. After that, type in %appdata% and hit enter. Now the Windows Explorer should open up. From here, go to the Discord folder and delete everything from here. Now, open the Run program again. Then type in %localappdata% and press enter. Next, go to the Discord folder and delete everything from here as well. Now, restart your computer. After your computer turns on, fire up a browser of your choice and go to discord.com. Then click on the Download for Windows button and the setup file should start downloading. Once it's done downloading, click on it and it should start installing. After that, the problem should be solved. So that's how you fix the black screen issue when screen sharing with Discord from your computer. If the video helped you solve the issue, hit that like button. Got any questions? Feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. As always, thanks for watching.